G'day guys, Shane here, back with the disco again. This thing does keep you pretty busy as a DIY mechanic. 360 odd thousand Ks on the OD on this bay, and I'm doing another common fault, the tailgate. And I'll show you what's going on here. So I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but so when I'm hitting the button, the actuator's going and the top tailgate's not releasing. So what you're hearing there, guys, is the latch for the upper tailgate has broken its cable. It's a pretty common fault. Unfortunately, the actuator is mounted in the bottom half of the tailgate, which opens both the top tailgate and the bottom. But it's a real common fault for the cable for the top half to break, and consequently you can't open the tailgate, so we've got to get inside and undo it from there. So here's the new latch mechanism I bought. So the cable is part of the latch. It's this end here that is the common part that breaks. So what we need to do is get in behind the trim panel, and we need to basically pull that lever forward to release the top half. Then we can get in and fix it properly. Alright guys, we're in the back of the disco now, so we're going to get into this trim panel here, get some screwdrivers in underneath this trim capping. It's just a plastic ridge, and pop that carpet out. Just going to start at this end. A few of the videos I've seen from other people doing it, it seems like a good spot to start. If you ever thought about putting the emergency release in like I have, well, don't think about it, just get in and do it. Alright, so this is about the location where the actuator is. So you can see in this section here, you should be able to see the actuator cable right in there. So we're just going to try and pop that out so we can grab hold of that end. I'm probably not going to be able to film this bit, but because I'm probably going to need two hands. But anyway, we'll do our best. So, a little cover here that I think we need to push off. That's got the cover pushed back. There's the actuator. There's a little black plastic cover at the back. You need to push that back away and get your hand in behind it and try and feel that cable and push it out towards the top. So I'm gonna turn the camera off here at the moment until I get it out. You can see I've grabbed that there with my needle nose pliers, so I'm just going to try and pull that to the left, and hopefully that should pop that tailgate.
That sounds interesting.
That ain't budging. Look in there, Logs.
How are you gonna get that out?
Oh, jeez. That's tight. Right. Well, you wouldn't believe it, but trying to get that vice grip on that cable, I lost the cable and it went pop back down again, so I had to try and dig through it, and well, yeah, bleeding again. Anyway, we're going to try and pull this vice grip off to the left and see if we can release this tailgate. There we go, success. Alright, now we can open the bottom half and pull the actuator out. So now we've got that tailgate open, I'm just going to remove this top piece. This may should break this bit, so probably need to sort out another plastic part here at some point, but it's no big deal. Watch out, these little clips might go flying. So I'm just going to pull these clips off the retainer straps. More stuff that goes flying. Sometimes it's just a matter of popping these clips up so that ball can just slide straight off there. Pop this latch out, T30 Torx bit. Well, that one's not. T30 and a T25. Torx bits.
Actually, I'm not there. You can't even see a little bit out there, can you?
T10s. Okay, so you can now see it's broken a bit more clearly. Should be able to pop that latch out. There's a broken piece there. Release, throw the new one on. That should just push straight in there and just hold in with a little clip there. That should be it. While this is apart, it's probably a good time to mention that this would ideally be the right time to put in an emergency release. Of course, well, I don't have time for that right now, so I'm not going to. I'll probably do it later, but basically what you want to do is get something onto here, because obviously this is that section that breaks right on that curve. This one looks a bit more smoother, so it may not have that weak problem. But anyway, you want to get something on here, maybe like a bike cable or a steel trace fishing line or something like that. Hook it over there and bring it out over this side and out somehow, so that essentially you can pull on that remotely and you don't have to pull all this trim cable off. That would be absolutely ideal. So just a little correction, T15 for these screws here. The T10 will do it, but T15 fits a bit nicer. Strike the plate back on the outside. Like I said, I really would like to do that emergency release. It would solve a lot of this hassle. But as always, time is not with me.
Really appear to be any adjustment this mechanism, so just have to tighten it up and see how this gate shuts.
Okay, hopefully, apart from the trim, that should be job done. So we'll shut the gate and see how it works. So I've just done a trial fit of it all, trial close should I say. All works perfectly. So we'll whack all this trim back in. Of course there's something rattling in there, so that's going to annoy me. Let's have a look, see what that is. Which now I can't hear it. Alright. Can't hear or see anything. Job done. Hope you got something from this video. Yeah, I'm trying to do these videos whenever I can when I'm doing some work. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys.